Imagine one event in the Pacific Ocean that can influence rainfall in India, trigger droughts in Australia, increase floods in South America, and even affect food prices around the world. That phenomenon is called El Niño, but what exactly is El Niño? Why does it happen? And how can warm water in one part of the ocean affect weather across the entire planet? Let's find out in just 5 minutes. What is El Niño? El Niño is a natural climate pattern that occurs every 2 to 7 years. Normally, strong trade winds push warm surface water from South America toward Indonesia and Australia. Cold, nutrient-rich water rises near the coast of South America, helping support marine life. During an El Niño event, those trade winds weaken or sometimes reverse. As a result, warm water spreads back toward the central and eastern Pacific Ocean. Even though this change happens in one ocean, it influences weather patterns across many parts of the world. What causes El Niño? Three key factors drive El Niño. First, weaker trade winds. Second, warmer than normal sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean. Third, changes in atmospheric pressure known as the Southern Oscillation. Together, these ocean and atmospheric changes create a cycle called ENSO, which stands for the El Niño Southern Oscillation. ENSO has three phases: El Niño, neutral, La Niña. How does El Niño affect the world? El Niño affects different places in different ways. South America often experiences heavier rainfall and flooding. Australia and parts of Southeast Asia may face droughts and a higher risk of wildfires. Some regions of Africa can receive either more or less rainfall depending on location. In North America, winters in the southern United States are often wetter than usual, while northern areas can become milder. Warmer oceans can also affect fisheries because nutrient-rich water does not rise to the surface as effectively. These changes may influence agriculture, water supplies, ecosystems, and even food prices. How does El Niño affect India? India depends heavily on the southwest monsoon. During many El Niño years, the monsoon tends to be weaker than average, which can reduce rainfall in some regions. Lower rainfall may affect agriculture, reservoirs, and water availability. However, El Niño does not guarantee drought every time. Other climate factors, including conditions in the Indian Ocean, can strengthen or weaken its influence. This is why meteorologists study multiple climate signals before making seasonal forecasts. Here there is an interesting fact. Did you know? El Niño means the little boy in Spanish because fishermen in Peru noticed the warm ocean waters often appeared around Christmas. Scientists monitor El Niño using satellites, ocean buoys, ships, and weather models to improve forecasts around the world. El Niño reminds us that our planet's oceans and atmosphere are deeply connected. A change in one ocean can influence weather thousands of kilometers away. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which science topic you'd like to explore next.